So, dear children, welcome to our English lesson. The theme of our lesson, traditions and language. In today's lesson, we are going to learn new vocabulary, improve reading skills, watch a video, learn grammar, practice and do exercises. Let's start our lesson with grammar. Present perfect plus just, still, already and yet. Now watch this video.
Present perfect with just, yet and already.
I've just finished dinner.
Dad, I've already got the post.
Have you tidied your room yet?
No, I haven't done it yet.
We use the present perfect with just, yet and already to talk about recent news and events. We use just to talk about a very recent event. We use already to say something happened sooner than we expected. We use yet to talk about an event that has not happened, but we expect it to happen in the future. We use just in questions.
Has Jim just got home?
And positive sentences.
Yes, he's just got home. 2 minutes ago.
We put just before the main verb. We use already in questions.
Have you finished your homework already?
And positive sentences.
Yes, I've done it already.
We put already at the end of the sentence or question, or before the main verb.
Have you already finished your homework?
Yes, I've already done it.
We only use yet in questions.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
And negative sentences.
No, we haven't eaten lunch yet.
Yet appears at the end of the sentence.
Dear children, don't forget to make some notes in your copybooks. Now we are going to read a text, but before that, learn the new vocabulary. So, repeat after me. Ойлап шығару, calm down, жұбану, көңілі жайлану, pass down, алып беру, тапсыру, find out, анықтау, білу, got mad, ашулану, ес шығу, came up with, ойлап табу, looked into, зерттеу, kept on, жалғастыру, аул, үкі, neck, мойын. Very good, my dear friends. Now write down the new words. So, ready? You have some time to read the text. Now, let's check your reading comprehension. Complete the questions with the correct form of the phrases in blue in the text. Okay, students, it's high time to finish our lesson. Today we have learned new vocabulary, improved reading skills, learned grammar. Dear children, your homework exercise 6 at page 69. Thank you, my friends. That's all for today. See you soon.